Toolbox number 1. Foot pump. Toolbox number 2. Foot pump, headlights, foot pedal, support bracket, headset, charger, instruction manual, stickers, tools. Fender. Cargo board. Spare battery bracket. Unscrew the front fork protection screw and remove the front wheel.
Install the front wheel. Remove the brake protective cover. Ensure installation in the correct position.
Tighten the screws with a 50 mm wrench.
Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to install the support bracket. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to install the headset. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench to install the handlebars. Adjust the handlebars to a horizontal position and tighten the screws. Adjust the cyclo-computer position and use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Adjust the brake lever's position and use a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Install the headlight with the wired side facing down. Use a 14mm wrench to tighten the screws. Connect the headlight plug. Adjust the handlebars and tighten the screws in sequence. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to install the fender. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to install the cargo board. Install the cargo board as demonstrated. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to install the spare battery bracket. Use a 15mm wrench to install the left pedal and tighten it counterclockwise.
Use a 15mm wrench to install the right pedal and tighten it clockwise. Tire pressure must not exceed 20 psi.
Turn on the battery power. Unlock the mechanical key lock on the handlebar. Long press the power button on the combination switch to power on and enter P mode.
Squeeze the brake lever to switch to normal mode, riding mode.
Press the S button to set 3 speed modes, Eco, STD, and Turbo.
Headlight. Horn. Turn signal.